Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on an Epson XP-352. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel you can find on the front of the printer. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any button presses I make very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in currently and what language you would like it changed to. So, to get ourselves started, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If your screen doesn't look like this, just press the home button to be taken here. Then we're going to press right once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times until we're on setup, which is indicated by this symbol here. Then we press OK to go into this menu. Then we need to move ourselves to the right again by pressing once, twice, until we get to printer setup, option 3 of 9 if you're in doubt. Press OK to go into that. And then again, we're going to press right once, twice, 3 times until it shows language, option 4 of 5. Press OK to go into that. And here we have a list of all the different languages your printer uses. Just use the up and down arrows to navigate yourself to whichever language you desire. Press OK, and you are done. If this video has been useful, please do let me know with a like. If you have anything else to add, please do drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.